Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Rainnail Studio. Today we are just going to do a short little pedicure snippet. So I did see this client a month ago and she is showing a lot of progress. We are just cleaning her toenails, and the star of the show today is going to be her big toe. So prior to filming, I did pull out quite a nice chunk of like dead skin or debris, whatever it was. I was like, oh my gosh, I should have been filming this. So that's why I'm giving this to you guys today. I will start recording this client's full pedicure service because she does have quite a bit going on, but we are seeing really good results. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do it now. We're halfway to 10K, and at 10K, we're going to be doing a pedicure kit and giveaway. And if you can guess from who, go ahead and comment down below. But basically all I'm doing here is pushing back the dead skin or cuticle on the nail plate, and then of course I'm gonna file and shape and then go underneath each toenail with my curette just to pull out any excess dead skin, debris, or toenail. So on the big toenail, she did have a fungus, which did cause her toenail to get quite thick and lift from the nail bed. So you will see me clipping some of that away and of course cleaning it out. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys here. I was not able to put the sound because I forgot my music was playing in the background, and we don't want any copyright issues. So please enjoy the background music, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. You can follow me on Instagram at BeccaB_. Again, my name is Rebecca, and I hope to see you soon.